Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet 8 petal flower. I'm using a 5mm steel crochet hook and 3-ply cotton yarn for this project. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making slip knot, make your base chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After making 6 chains, go into the first chain, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch to form a ring. Now for the first row, make chain 1, go into the ring, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. Now make single crochet 2, single crochet 3, single crochet 4 and make total of 16 single crochet stitches. For 8 petal flower, make 16 single crochet stitches, and to finish this row, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch and cut this starting yarn tail. So now for row 2, make chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now make 3 more chains, total of 6 chains. After making 6 chains, wrap the yarn, skip second stitch, go into the third single crochet stitch and pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops and then pull through 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. This is our second double crochet stitch after chain 3. Now make chain 3, wrap the yarn, skip 1 stitch, go into the next and make a double crochet stitch. Now again make chain 3, skip 1 stitch, go into the next and make a double crochet stitch. Repeat the same pattern till the end of the row. So after completing your row, make last chain 3 and make a slip stitch to the top of chain 3, which is our first double crochet stitch, to finish this row. And now make chain 3. After making chain 3, go into this second double crochet stitch here and make a slip stitch. So this is our petal row. Turn your work and make chain 2, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now go into this chain 3 space and make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and double crochet 6. So after completing 6 double crochet stitches, now go into this double crochet stitch and make 6 double crochet stitches here as well. Double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So after completing 6 double crochet stitches, now we are going to make a slip stitch to this side. So go into this double crochet stitch space like this, and make a slip stitch to finish your first petal. So this is our first petal. Now turn your work again to first side and make chain 3 for second petal as we have done for first petal. Now go into this next double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now turn your work again like this and start with chain 2, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Chain 3, chain 2 and go into this chain 3 space and make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, turn this first petal, double crochet 5 and double crochet 6. Now after completing 6 double crochet stitches, go into this double crochet stitch here, go into this double crochet stitch here and make 6 double crochet stitches, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and double crochet 6. So now after completing 6 double crochet stitches, now go into this double crochet stitch space. From here make a slip stitch to finish your second petal. After completing your second petal, turn your work and make chain 3 space make chain 3 space and make a slip stitch to next double crochet stitch. Turn your work again and make chain 2, go into this chain 3 space and make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and double crochet 6. After completing 6 double crochet stitches, go into this double crochet stitch here and make 6 double crochet stitches again, double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After completing 6 double crochet stitches, Now again make a slip stitch to this double crochet side. So repeat the same pattern for next 5 petals as well. So after completing all the petals, now make a slip stitch again to the same space of double crochet stitch. Pull the extra yarn and cut the extra yarn. Now weave this extra yarn with the help of needle. So take this extra yarn to back side and then make a knot. To secure your work, and then weave this extra yarn. And cut the extra yarn. You can also add a bead or a fancy button. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.